Do you know someone who should receive the I Am Cooperation and Harmony Award? The I Am Cooperation and Harmony Award is one of the HigherSelf Awards. It is given to those who advocate for, promote, and develop positive and constructive systems that support those who act, dance, draw, paint, sculpt, play an instrument, create, entertain, and organize to bring us release to make work and life joyful. This award is for those who support the pleasure bringers and creators who use their talents to help us all experience personal, family, and community entertainment and harmony. The award categories are art, music, performing arts, film, movies, television. If there is a person or organization whose work and commitment to your neighborhood, your city, or our people should be recognized, nominate them for the I Am Cooperation and Harmony Award at HigherSelfAwards.org. Nominate a hero.
Sponsored by I Am Apparel and Products. By the way, 12% of your purchase is donated to winners of the HigherSelf Awards. That means your purchase will help HigherSelf Awards winners build the health, economic security, and social well-being of Black communities. Visit us at iamproducts.store.